What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a way to help with hemorrhoids and postpartum care, this is a really cool sitz bath that fits right over top of your toilet seat by the company called Fivona. So let's open it up and see what you get. There is the little tub right there, and the cording right there. Now, what's kind of cool about this is it actually expands just like that. So when it ships, it comes flat, and with a little bit of pressure, the bottom pops out. Now, I like that because that means that this is going to store a lot easier. That is kind of big and bulky, but when you flatten it out, that's going to store really nice when you're not using it. So it does come with a pump. I'll show you how that works. Once you have this installed in the toilet seat, just like this, you would take the little hand pump right here, listen, and you would install it in the bottom of the toilet seat. So you've got a nice little suction cup here, install it in the middle with a little bit of pressure, like that, and then put this in position so that once you have put your soak in here, and by the way, Fivona does beautiful soaks to put in here. They do them for hemorrhoids, they do them for postpartum care with all kinds of really nice essential oils and herbs. Once you put your water or your soak in here, you can actually squeeze this and it's gonna draw water in, and it's going to gently shower that area or sprinkle that area with the soak that's in here. These here are temperature resistant. The fact that they give you a hand flusher, I think, adds to a very enhanced experience. It's a great way to convert your toilet seat into a bidet for either washing or a daily fresh up, especially if getting into a tub is difficult. This gives you a really nice option. This is a really great way to help soothe and relax an area that could be very stressed from hemorrhoids or postpartum, and having a daily sitz bath is definitely something that could be very comforting and relaxing for people. And the contoured edges here are going to make it so that it is a pretty universal fit with just about any toilet seat. The back here has some holes or venting so that if there is a lot of water, it does give a place for the water to exit the sitz bath, so you're not going to worry about a mess on the floor. It's just going to go out through the back venting and down into the bowl of the toilet and save you the mess that you would have to clean up otherwise. If you're looking for a sitz bath for postpartum care or for hemorrhoids, this is a really nice, convenient option with the fold flat storage capacity and this really nice little hand flusher, as well as the option for water to come out the back here, reducing mess. This one here by Fivona is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.